chilling out until Sunday.
We didn't plan on coming to Turon, nor did we plan on driving past Lithgow, nor did we plan on driving up Bellsliner Road, but here we are. It is, what time is it? 8:51. This has probably been the longest time it's ever taken us. Oi! I just stepped on your foot. Check out her feet. See that? We just walked in the pub dressed like this. And they all thought we were crazy.
But we're from Queensland.
We're from Queensland, but then we told them. Hey. Then we told them that we'd just been up Mount Kosciuszko, and they're like, ah, yeah, child's play. So they knew what we were up to. So look, we do have the Milky Way out tonight. I'm not particularly interested in capturing it. I think I might just sit back tonight and enjoy the fire. I don't do that very often, so what do you reckon?
Yeah, sounds...
You want to see me do that?
I don't think it's
You
gonna
guys
happen.
want to see me do that?
It won't happen.
It's not really that easy to see, but damn good fire.
That's great fire.
7 degrees here at the moment. The locals said that it's going to get down to
-4?
-4. It's like we never left Mount Kosciuszko.
Yeah.
Did have a fire like that, but maybe we should have. I've parked the truck a lot closer because I'm gonna not bother with anything, and I'm just going to get the chairs out and we're just going to sit down and that fire's hot. Anyway, talk to you in the morning.
A few moments later.
Like that.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Looks good on the camera. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Turon. Night 2, Saturday night, we're here again. We decided to stay the night again because last night was epic. It was off its head.
Fabulous.
So what happened last night was I decided, like I said earlier in the video, that I wasn't going to be doing any shooting, but we decided to get the cameras out so Anne could practice or learn Astro. She done a fantastic job. Everything you saw was from Anne. Big round of applause. Drop your comments below. Let her know how good it was. Tonight, both of us are going to give it a go, and I'm actually going to press record like I did on this video, which I've done 3 times already, but you haven't seen that because I didn't press record. It's a habit I've got to get out of it. So sit back, enjoy the show. I hope you enjoy it. Okay everyone, it's 6:30 at the moment. We're about to start shooting. The moon's still up, so we're still going to have a bit of glow from that. If anyone's ever interested in how to shoot the Milky Way, go get yourself this app. Focus. Thank you. It's Photo Pills. It'll tell you everything you need to know about chasing down the Milky Way when it's up, when the sun sets, when the moon sets, when the moon's going to rise. Tonight's not a particularly good night according to the app, but it looks bloody good to me. We've got the moon in the bottom phase just there, or new moon I think it's called, whatever. First quarter. It is actually just behind me over here. It's not interrupting me. I can't really see anything with it up, so should be a good night. Hang on a sec, I'll turn this off. Alright, so it's, yep, it's 20 past 1. We're going to call it a night. Time lapse are done. I've got nothing to show for the night. Got a lot of stills, but all my time lapse I stuffed up tonight. You can see, yeah, it's bloody cold. I'm thinking, my phone says 6 degrees. My esky's frozen, so I'm guessing that's 0 over there. And got some good time lapse tonight. I've already checked out the previews of those. You're gonna love them. Remember to mention down below what you think of them. Let her know how good they are. Remembering this is her first night on the time lapse on the Nikon. Canon stuffed me up tonight. It took a whole lot of time lapse of nothing. You'll see one star going up. I'll put that up in a sec. But yeah, we're freezing. We're done. I'm going to bed. You going to bed, Anne?
I'm going to bed.
Yep, we're going to bed. So see you in the morning.
I'm looking forward to bed.
Yep.
That's a given.
It's going to take a little while to get the bed warmed up, but I should try and show you something. Actually, come with me. You'll really love this. I've just got to get a light going. I mentioned before that my esky was frozen. I seriously was not joking. Can you see that? Yep, that is ice. Ice on top of the esky. I could almost write just as cruiser life in that. Too much light? There you go. Look at those sparkles. What do you think of the cold now, Anne?
Well, it's not really cold just here. It's beautiful and...
Look what you're wearing. Of course you're not cold.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty rugged up.
Yeah, alright. In all seriousness, sorry. Yep, that's us signing up for the night. See you in the morning. Hope you enjoy the video. -1 degrees at 1:40 in the morning. Yep. My clock was wrong. I was right. It's bloody cold. Good night, everybody. Morning, everyone. We're just out here at Blackfellas Hand Trail. Not down where the paintings are. We just come for a bit of an explore around the area. Found this little track just off the side. That's what we're looking at now. It's pretty nice. It's nice and warm. A little bit of a breeze, but handleable. if that's a word. Come check a look.